Today we are calculating a basic math puzzle that frequently causes arguments in the comments. 2 divided by 2 divided by 2 divided by 2. Because this expression uses the exact same number and operator all the way across, it is incredibly easy to take an illegal shortcut and ruin the calculation. Pause the video right now, simplify the string in your head, and leave your immediate answer in the comments. Let's look at the strict directional rules of algebra to find the exact result. Before doing any arithmetic, we must establish the order of operations protocol for this string. When an expression contains multiple operators of the exact same priority level, no single sign outranks the others. In these scenarios, the fundamental rule of algebra dictates that you must calculate strictly from left to right. This means we must address the very first pair of numbers at the front before moving down the line. Let's execute our very first step on the far left. We take the starting 2 and divide it by the 2 that immediately follows. Any non-zero number divided by itself simplifies perfectly to 1. Dropping this back into the expression leaves our running string as 1 divided by 2 divided by 2. Moving left to right, our next operation is 1 divided by 2. To maintain absolute precision without using messy decimals, we rewrite this operation directly as a fraction. 1 divided by 2 is written as the rational fraction, 1/2. This brings our simplified expression down to 1/2 divided by 2. Now we are faced with dividing a fraction by a whole number, 1/2 divided by 2. The cleanest way to execute fraction division is to multiply by the reciprocal of the divisor. The whole number 2 can be thought of as 2 over 1, so its inverted reciprocal is 1/2. We change division to multiplication and flip the second term, giving us 1/2 multiplied by 1/2. Now we perform the final fraction multiplication across the board. Multiplying the numerators, 1 times 1 gives us 1. Multiplying the denominators, 2 times 2 gives us 4. This yields our definitive, undisputed final total of exactly 1/4, or 0.25 as a decimal. Many people mistakenly think the operators cancel out to 1 or 2, completely forgetting the left-to-right rule. Did you calculate the fraction steps accurately and get 1/4 on your very first try? Let me know in the comments below, hit that follow button, and I will see you in the next breakdown.